Okay, I've got a consultant story for you. We're on this big project, three different manufacturing facilities. We're working for a huge company, like a Fortune 50 company at the time. And the consultants all have lots of letters behind their name, and they're an international firm. They probably have four people on the call. And I'm the only representative of our company on the call. And they're showing pictures of the site, and they flash an image of our three-stage decontamination chamber up. And the consultant says, "Stop right there." And he starts getting all angry and he's all animated. His hands are waving in the screen. And he starts ranting and raving about the fact that we are not following the state of New York guidelines because we only have a three-stage and we needed to have a five-stage. And I said, "Hey, we're in Ohio and we're required to have three stages." And he says, "Well, what does the specification call for?" And that's when the environmental corporate head of affairs says, let me stop you right there. We paid you to write that set of specifications. Shouldn't you know what it says? I mean, you wrote it. And right then I just looked at him and I was like, I'm just a dumb contractor. I don't know anything. So at the end of the day, consultants should probably read their spec before they rant and rave at a safety meeting and maybe know what state you're in. Just just thinking out loud.